In this video, how to make a YouTube channel on a computer 2021, I'll be demonstrating to you how you can create a YouTube channel. Whether you want to create a YouTube channel for your brand or your company, one thing is certain, video content is on the rise and continues to increase year after year. With over 2 billion monthly active users and tens of millions of video makers on YouTube, you may believe it is too late and not worth it to start your channel. Let me tell you something. It's never too late to start using social media, and the same goes for starting a YouTube channel. My name is Hamid Chibu and welcome to Think Creative MW. Please subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Now we are on our browser, and what we will do, there are so many ways of going to where we want to go, but the quickest for me will be typing YouTube address over here and then pressing enter, and then this will automatically take you to the home page of YouTube. So you come here, this icon, this little icon over here, so you click that one and then it will take you straight to the settings. You'll have to click settings over here. Yeah, and then it will automatically take you to this page, and then you'll have to click add or manage your channel. Yeah, so when you do that, it will take you to this page. Of course, I'm having other channels already, but you, for the one who want to create an account or a YouTube channel, have to tick this create YouTube channel over here. There's a plus icon over there, so it will take you to this page. Create a channel, create your channel name, and then there's this words over here. You can use your brand's name or another name. A good channel name represents you and your content. You can change your channel name at any time. So my channel, I want to name it top 5 great products. So I will have to type here top 5 greatest products. So I have to put capital G over here and then capital P. So there's this, I understand what I'm creating a new Google account with this one, including YouTube search and watch history. So I'll take this one and then choose to create. So voila, here it goes, and then this is my YouTube channel, my new YouTube channel. So what I'll do is I want to add some little things, and then I'll have to come to customize channel. Yeah, and then it will take me to my dashboard, and then this welcome to YouTube Studio, continue. Yeah, and then there's this branding over here. So I already created a logo for this. Actually, for those who are studying this for the first time, what you will need is to at least have a logo or any picture that you can have. For example, it's a personal channel, then you can post your personal picture over here. And then you also need a banner. So let's start with a logo. So we'll click upload. So I already created this folder over here. So I'll open that and then view here, large icons, and then this is my logo over here. So I'll click this. Yeah, so I will align it properly. You can make this small or largen it. So I think to me this is quite okay. So I'll click done. Yeah, so I can, as you can see, it has shown here. So what it means, it will be showing. For example, if I can go to YouTube homepage, and then for all these people, like this one over here, this one over here, this one over here, is the logo that we have just uploaded. Okay, so now I have to upload my banner. So I'll click this option over here, upload, and then you take me to the same folder. So I'll choose this one. Yeah, so here it is. Of course, it's showing us on how it will show in different gadgets. For example, on the TV, this is how it's going to show, and on the desktop, it will reach up to this level. And then on all devices like mobile, it will be reaching up to this level. So when you are creating the image, keep that in mind always, that it should have to fit. So for me, I think my text is just so huge. So I'll just leave this for the moment, and then I'll have to re-edit this later because it will be showing all right on the TV and not on the desktop and not on the device. But this is okay, but I have to recreate this. Yeah, so here it is. and then when I finish that, I will click publish, and I will add also this video watermark here. So I have to click this option over here, upload, and then there's this one. I'll upload it and then click done. So what that will do is it will be showing at the bottom of each of my video here. So when one clicks this, he will or she will subscribe to the channel. So we'll click publish again. Yeah, so that is done, and then I will also come to the basic info over here. So I will at least have to put a small description over here. So I already have this. I wrote it somewhere. I think it's here. So I'll click this, then copy, and then I have to paste it over here. So it reads, we review tech products on this channel. If you are a techie who wants to know which items are the first in each category, you'll love our channel. Please contact us at 5 greatest ones, or at 5, or at, should be at top 5 greatest products. So if you want to market your goods or have any other commercial concerns, you find top 5 reviews of various goods in the category of technology, clothing, electronics, healthy beauty, and more on this channel. So I have also included my disclosure notice here. 5, or it should be top 5 greatest products is also. So that's it, and then I'll also have to publish when I finish that. And I'll also, if I want, I'll also have to put my email over here. So the email should be, yeah, and then when I'm done, like if you have a website, you can add your link over here. For the layout, I won't do that for now till when I start uploading my videos. So I'll also click publish over here. Yeah, so change is published, and then if I want to view my channel, and then I can also click that, or I can come here, basic info here, there's this link over here. I can copy that, and then if I paste it on my browser, for example there, then if I click it, yeah, and then it take me to my page. So here it is. So for the, when I start uploading videos, we show here, and for the about, we show here. Yeah, so when I go to my channel, this is how it's gonna show. And for the image that I told you I have to change, this is the one, and there's a pretty option there. So when I click it, it will take me to the studio, but I'm still here. So when I start uploading videos, start showing here, the playlist will show here, and the about page, I think I just posted this, so here it is. And for the email addresses, like when someone visits my channel, when he clicks the view email, and then this email will show. So that's how we have concluded our tutorial on this one. I was trying to demonstrate to you how you can create a new YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. My name is Hamid Chibwe, and please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to keep yourself notified, and you can even like the video, and you can even share it. See you in the next video.